Statements in Python programming language. Hi, welcome to this lesson. In this lesson you will learn about Python statements. So what does a statement mean? A statement is just a snippet of code to perform a specific task. Or you can say that instructions that a Python interpreter can execute are called statements. And also you should know that there are two types of statements. And these two types of statements are single line statements and multi-line statements. In this example, we have a variable called x and its value is 1 integer data type. And you know what? This line of code is considered a statement. Just a single line statement, or you can create a multi-line statement exactly as follows. In this example here we have the variable called x and its value is a multi-line calculation. And this is also considered a statement, multi-line statement. The value of this variable is considered to be 45. You can also include the variable's value in parentheses and be in several lines or multi-lines. And also the value can be a mathematical operation like in this example. We have another multi-line statement here. X is equal to this calculation. 5 plus 10 plus 15 plus 20 plus 25 and all the value is in between parentheses. And also if you wanna create a special variable or list or any data structure in multi-lines, in this case it will also be considered a statement. We have a list called fruits here, and this list of multi-lines is considered a statement. Basically, most programming languages have the concept of a statement, and you should remember that a statement is a command that the programmer gives to the computer to perform an action. That's it, very simply. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If there is anything unclear, please don't hesitate to ask me and I'll answer you as soon as possible. I am here to help you all the time. Thanks a lot for watching. See you again next lesson.